Today I'm making a super healthy and quick 10-minute smashed falafel wrap. If you are looking for something easy, delicious and perfect for a weekday lunch or dinner, this recipe is for you. Let's start by making the falafel mixture. First, drain the water from the soaked or canned chickpeas and rinse them well a couple of times. Then add them to a food processor. Also add 1 small onion, fresh parsley and cilantro, and flour, garlic cloves. Now let's add our spices: cumin powder, coriander powder, smoked paprika, and salt to bring that classic falafel flavor. Pulse until everything is combined, but don't make it too smooth. You want it a bit chunky. This will help the falafel layer stay crisp when cooked. Your falafel mixture is ready. Keep it aside and let's make our tahini dressing. First, add sesame seeds to a pan and toast them on low heat until fragrant. Let them cool completely. Once they are cooled, transfer them to a blender and blend until smooth. Then add olive oil and blend again until smooth and creamy. Our tahini base is ready. Now add garlic cloves, maple syrup, lemon juice, salt and pepper to taste, and blend until smooth. Add water to give it a thinner and pourable consistency and blend it again. Your tahini dressing is ready. Now take a tortilla or flatbread of your choice and spread a thin layer of falafel mixture right on top. Use the back of the spoon to make it even, not too thick, just enough to cover the surface. Drizzle a bit of oil into a skillet over medium heat and place the tortilla falafel side down. Cook for 3-4 minutes or until the falafel layer is golden brown and crispy. Now flip it and cook other side for 1 to 2 minutes. If you notice that falafel mixture is sticking, just add a touch of oil to the skillet before flipping. Now it's time to assemble the wrap. Take your crispy falafel tortilla, top it with pickled cabbage, sliced onions, sliced cucumbers and tomatoes. Drizzle with creamy tahini dressing on top and sprinkle a little bit of smoked paprika for extra flavor. Fold the tortilla into a wrap and that's it. You've got a crispy and flavorful falafel wrap ready to enjoy. This healthy skillet cooked smashed falafel wrap is perfect for a quick lunch or a dinner. If you love this recipe, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button and let me know in the comments how it turned out. See you next time.